Hi, I'm Lauren Mang. I am a holistic certified professional organizer, and I have a business, Let Me Organize It, that I started about a decade ago in 2014. But I was introduced to the professional organizing industry about 2 years before in 2012 when I interned for another organizer. And I gained a lot of great knowledge and skills hands-on doing the organizing. Then I moved away and decided to start my own business, and I was terrified. Not gonna lie, because I had this great talent, but I didn't know how to start and run a business, and I wasn't 100% sure how to get clients, and I had a lot of questions. If you know me, I always have a lot of questions. And so I really felt like I needed to get a lot of knowledge before I could really start. And so I joined NAPO, and I got on the forums, and I found a mentor, and I got on Facebook groups, and I networked in person, and I took courses, and I got the foundational knowledge that I needed to feel safe to get started. And I think that that's actually what set me up for success so early on. But the frustrating thing was sometimes you're not allowed to ask certain questions on online forums, and you had to go to so many different places and pay at different places to get this information. So I had this idea that I wanted to start a new organizer mentor membership where I would create a community where organizers who are just thinking about entering the industry or have just started their business and have no idea what to do next could come and get all of that information in one place and just pay one price to get it. So I want to weave a little bit of my other favorite topic besides organizing into this to tell you that in human design, I am a projector, and the projectors are the teachers and the guides. And I love guiding my clients and teaching them about organizing systems. And I love guiding and teaching newer organizers because I really find this to be an incredibly supportive industry. But when you're first starting out, there's just so many questions that you need to have answered. And I want to create that for you guys. So I have a 1-4 profile in human design. And the first line is about diving deep into those topics that are of interest, but also gathering this foundational knowledge in order to feel safe moving forward. Then the 4th line is these curated networks of people. And so I'm connecting people to people, I'm connecting people to knowledge. And so I thought, let's start this membership where I can mentor organizers in a group setting. They can be connected to other newer organizers. It can be people who are just thinking about starting in the industry and trying to gather information before. It can be people who have just started their business and have no idea what to do next. Or it can be people who have started their business a couple of years ago and are struggling to really get it launched. So I want to share with you not only my mistakes and what to avoid, but also my successes and how I was able to build this business. So I'm creating this community. I'd love for you to join me. It's going to be an incredibly supportive, intimate group where you can ask your questions, where you can really feel support. You're going to get one live Q&A call a month that will be recorded if you can't attend live, where you can submit questions. I'm going to do a 1-to-1 coaching session with each member a month. You're also going to have access to these online forums where you can ask questions. I will also have a library of webinars that I have taught, and you'll have access to those, as well as handouts that I've created, templates that I've used. I really want to share this knowledge with you, and that library will build over time. But it's an incredible value, and it's really going to be a supportive and caring community where you can ask questions, get them answered, feel support, and really get your business set up for success from the start. So I hope you'll consider joining, and I will see you there.